I go show you love. Oh, she, oh, she.
Because I know I'm chasing for me. Oh la la la, the mango my love. But I got the edition my love. If you want to let you come alone, you find anybody na money I want. But they hear what the people they do. Want to get a shot, they let it love. It's a love and I want to get another one. I go take and do it in I love. Waiting you love. Not be waiting I love. Waiting I love. I go do well without my heart.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it?
Slowly I did up. Money on my mind. Care what they yarning about me in particular. Come me. Out here on the road chasing my dream because I know I'm chasing for me. Oh la la la, the mango my love. But I got the edition my love. If you want to let you come alone, you find anybody na money I want.
I waiting love, no be waiting I love, waiting I love. I go do one with all my heart. Oh, the go to the vodka, Mr. Money Ginger. Right, so music of Ashake, and because this one rolling at the top. Beautiful Friday morning, the folks will be a Korba. It will be actually the 193.3 of the best frequency here in Achimoda and its enclaves. And then Friday, 22nd September 2023. The images of the Ejeni champion Boateng. With me, I'm from Kwabena Kosti. I'm branching for the Prophet Gentleman. A big shout out to man like Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo. And And we're here once again to serve you good music. Yesterday was a special day, and we want to say a very big thank you to BBR over supporting the day. Folks, send me at first on 0533 898 915 0533 898 915 and WhatsApp and our face or SMS. Send them through. I mean your messages. And you can come out here on 93.3 of 5. It's a Friday, as you already know. It's a Friday, and a casson. The man here calling out it's a freestyle thing on Friday radio. I mean, it's a party on radio. So we on for the 5 after 10. Once again, my name is Jenny Champion Boateng. Call me Kobina Kosti. In case you just tune in, let me remind you, tune in to the best frequency and of course the best mid-morning. This is the show we make sure we serve you a bit of breakfast and a bit of lunch. Together we call this one the brunch time. Of course, we make sure whatever we do, whatever we say here, entertains you to the max. Folks, Akwaba at the 93.3 of Alright, so quick shouts going out to Mr. Urban Fashion. Big shouts. And come on for Steve of Sunforce Ventures. And also to Mr. Chumesi. Me pa channel pay want to say KNO Fashion Mungina no pay Mobia Chimobia Kwaba at about 93.3 of them. So yan call Chuma Shane just say your bovrim Bereman Quine Mr. William Beck. And okay, good morning. And come on. Sending for you in the new back of Salum de Gambia. Bereman Quine in our face Nash. Pabua Fie Wachama Sani with Dumase. Nana Yao. Comforts, Natural Look Beauty Salon, Kate, and now for Daisy, more Bompire Johnson, and I'll pay you chamo. You did upon some Mubejma. Mubejma. And now for his welcome, honorable Atifa German. Also, Bompire, good morning, and fine come out, sir. Bibi Abo called here. Now, you're more room or SDA Johnson, Bra Michael, with BM. To dress the Johnson, I will jump out with your music, with your kind of the big shots and come up, Bra Michael, and for you and come on, Mahana, or Horn, you on SDA Johnson, or Tongo, calling the girls, Gazina, or Pamadina, or Twinjan, or say Jigumunia, exclusive beauty saloon. Good morning, and come on, and now for Mama Vida with Jubilee Bridge in the show. Man, come on, Aseda Beauty Saloon, and I'll pay parties golden scissors. And I'll pay video be a dear son, and I'll pay from parties, you know. A betchery, Mudamun Habertre. A betchery, Obinka say a betchery. Big shouts to you, Richmond Kwesida, and so on, and stop over Hope City, and I'll pay Genesi Fashion. Good morning, and come on, Dependable Beauty Saloon. For CAC Newtown, that's what I'm going to say. And a good morning also to Emmanuel Amauga. Mungina, good to know you guys are in tune. Yeah, I mean, we really appreciate the love you shown us. And I mean, yeah, Charlie, we'll be one of PBS and easy. DJ Lion wa Kameni Johnson will be Jaji wa Kameni Johnson will be ya idea wa check a share. And I'll say Charities Fashion wa Kameni Johnson. Good morning. And a good morning Kasian Sobako and come Quality Fashion. Liberty Entrance of her Yankwa Chimodan Government Hospital. Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, Nanajwa, Sandra, Watchum Odan Government Hospital. Bradavida Vasco, Raouf MP3, Staga Obama, Ricardo Tanku, Obatampa Jonathan, Jerry, Richmond, Banchi Tilapia, Kwakubu Nash, Piero, Brakwamio Cassia, Baru Subwai, Amos Apia, Ambrose, Nanajia, and the rest of the taxi drivers. Good morning, and come on, have a wonderful day. Wonderful day, and check the daily dose of motivations, bro. They are Fridays, so little music, yeah. I'll be seeing you, man. I say, then I have some way bizarre. You're saying dry your holiday. Now you're bed my Friday. What kind of holiday is this? What kind of holiday is this? Nanka the chuma nearby Monday. That's it. She's a weekend, 8 hours a day. From Friday to Monday, 8 hours a day. Opa and Ubasa Monday, near Sati heavy. Angel Gra.
This is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it?
Talent and so I'm to feel what she know go to me now what's it
No cry. That's right. So music of King Promise. Sakodi and Mugis. Because it's one CCTV. And of course, you want Yanko Pombia on Tonko on that. Or Simon Jayamuda. What I say. So there's one thing I've noticed. Charlie, you grow better when you pray. Yeah, you grow better when you pray. I can't say you grow. Heavy. Talking about GLOW. Better when you pray. Ube was skin toss kama. Ube was skin toss kama. You see, sometimes when you believe in God, when you pray, all the who are in our share, this how you come upon, all their try. So what's the boy Jan Kunto? And if we are saying now. Big shouts to Nanaya Bay. He's the CEO of OB Fitness and Gym Hub. OB Fitness and Gym Hub. Nanaya Bay. Big shouts, my brother, and also he's the CEO of Bright Elect Soccer Club. My brother Charlie, good to know you are in tune. And that's how you guy, what I say. Right, so our daily dose of motivation certainly will come in the way in the jiffy. Just keep it in mind, you say Color Studios and Digital Embroidery at Zaroma and Opebia and yet Snazzy say yeah, the young crown shots, my bro. I was here, your show crying, you motivate you because this time and these days, things where they go on for this country, this Ghana. If you don't motivate one body, then be some way be answering. So if you motivate one body, so no, sorry, I was here in a fan trunk room. You're too drinking bingo. Sometimes, yes, say your home crying here who say, General assassin, But I didn't who can out. Yanara, ya sassini, and I do my head. Mojana, Nana, Mushigu, and it to home my head. It drew me in the said on Americano. It drew me in the was also, say ye be to us, Yana Hanami Hukan. Yana Massa. I will be ever stressing my life. Mr. Billy, don't enter. Don't come and stress my life. So, make Kai Pons and I'll pay God bless our homeland, Ghana. Here we are healed to the name of CI, my education. Buy my papa, some make primary school anthem. I mean, to me, Ghana anthem will tribu. Yenara ya sassini, about the my. Shambo. Me yes, I will grab. Oh, me yes, I'm a drew, I'm a drew now. Man confuse me ba. Say ye be at us so, go to granny, say now Hannah me drew, who drew. Massa, member stressing me, young cock. We young fan called passport office. We young fan called commercial bank. And you know my yes, me I was school from the antal to the stigma of the Nina areas after fair there. Alright, so Colors Studios and the good embroidery at Darwana Pobiana, Yadi and Crunch House, and Yadi Bro now. Maybe I also come upon the man. Patrick Colors Studios watching more down. Omuchi account with Liberty Transport, the Upseed Kinop Pharmacy. And open say with him now. Open baby, a birthday. Open baby, a birthday photo shoot now. Me patch for Nitrium or Color Studios and the good embroidery. Now on short you out. About photo shoot, Papa Chrome Hanum there, Joe. One case check it. One ever boy year pa. Na one your camera. Quality picture. What I say? It's called Color Studios and Good Embroidery. Our friends, another one embroidery work and so on. School crest embroidery, church Lacoste embroidery, school Lacoste embroidery, first star embroidery, cap embroidery, and obviously police uniform embroidery. We patch all your watching more than Liberty Transport, Upseed Kinop Pharmacy. 0245 276 0245 276 Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. If I was here now, young corner for young fire and crash asem and bro, and then I'll pay now. Young crash asem and pay. I couldn't say yes, say visualize your success and use it as a fuel to push through the pain. The patch me seems to be in the mouth. Visualize your success and use it as a fuel to push through your pain. Asem there. A couple beer who feel struggle or life muti wa paba. And I come out wa utie you want to give up. Wa be mu yebu because we feel say enyo ma ekech the amount. Papa to tie nie pa. Say visualize your success and use it as fuel to push through the pain. Visualize your success and use it as fuel to push through the pain. Now, what I want to say, or what I want you to get, is that Sanya Opesa will do a brabum no. Sometimes I do for the daydream on that. I also die now. Visualize what brabo how you want to live life. What I say, easy. You will be working on oni sika on. But sometimes I visualize say, menya sika and come to an more say. Menya say and come to say. What's any panama no kasa? See me. Visualize your braba opesa. How rich you want to be. How successful you want to be. Just visualize or just have that vision. First see when you so picture. On die about trans counter so. Now you can't for ni bi oni so say Sa wo yesikani a say ni na obeye. Obeboa nkofo, obesesa nkofo hyebre, obesesa nkofo eyimu odo onua bi wo hu de ampese me kire no. Tenase na twa samfoni ni wo woni so. Na wankasa hwe ne fe eye. Twa samfoni ni wo woni so na hwe ne fe a eye. Say that chibi no itibe pa na mini. Won sa de no. O transi di na say oh that chibi me kra misi abronsan ye to aso be 6B na mesi bi estate bi na ma yewe. Wo be hu say wankasa what ho no sika ne ma but we trim you there. On so that ya wo hu say we sikani baba sore na onye sikani. Yes, esi enti no transi. Na visualize send your pese wo ye. Visualize how successful you want to be. Now use to serve visuals no. Sound phone na wo twa wo ni so no. Use sa infoni no as fuel. And I say adia ebe ma wo energy. Se na be ya wa be mumbu. Amesi su bi onati ase. Se when ya sa vision no e wo woni ma. Wa be mbebu. Obeka se waya enko ba bia. Waya the tianete. Waya change bia emba so. But when you have this vision, if you visualize how successful you want to be, sit in the comfort of your home. Wakunyamu, wakamu, taxi driver cry. In fact, visualize how successful you want to be. Na you to sa infoni na hu se ano. Yes, wo ye no na me no kasa. Infoni na wo hu oni so se no. How you want your dream wedding to be, how you want your dream house to be, how you want your dream husband or your dream wife to be, how you want your dream kids to look alike. Visualize it. Ade no woni so twanfoni sa woni so. Wo twanfoni no. Wo hu ne fe. Wo hu se fe pa. Eno nti ema wa be mumbu. Ema wa be mumbu. Wo twanfoni no wo hu se e fe pa se ye. Se mama be mumbu a me sabe kan de we. Mama be membu a me sabe tumi aka me konkoden me konkomanim ama me sa kan de twase me sat eka e ma be mu buda anopa mi ho bi post on Facebook or say ende enenye ya someday e be ye enti with the sound phone na wo twa woni so no my phone no 5 years my phone no 10 years my phone no 11 years na hwa de Obeka say, oh, it was 22nd September, na Friday. And I brand here be a tran radio so kan. And I'm here, if you num pepe ni. Ya me twa mani so no, na me te taxi ni mu no, na me te store ho no, na me te fie no. Eno na abe mu no. Eno na abe mu no. Because in ba akokọ ne dem or bibi o say plan board. No, vision board, sorry. Vision board. Sa na watcho it's just maybe no why on the one watch your vision board. You know what he does? So say ope bibia now with the marker actual no man who say 1 or 2 months time I have to get this. I on the vision board and so. And I tell you what, he works towards at the chrono time never so so ask him why is he doing this? Okay, try to say any pastor we need vision, we need focus on this one. We need baby how what the number of bonus ya to fa na de ejire ya to fa na de ejire ya to fa na de ejire sa onto betel na woni. So you need to have a vision plan obia wo de mana wo ni so just have that picture e wo ni so say me ma me ho infie bi some long term vision bi e be bem. You see, there's one beautiful thing about serving God and trusting in God. Ojini di so betimi aya obeyama. So ojini di so betimi aya ma obeyama. And some of us, we are testimonies of God's blessings. Yes. Some of us, we are testimonies of God's blessings. And we sometimes when we talk, we know what we're talking about. Please try. Picture. Emma wa be mumbu. Never. Emma wa be mumbu da. Ebe farmer. And then I make catch you business catch him say, "Come now, there's no problem." Udim, sana I want coffee 3 months. So only, I mean, if you are, how do I put this? Okay, so if they see you to be, quote and unquote, rich kid, yeah. Now, so what can be say more be a baby boy? Oh, now all the problems now you are telling people say more baby boy. You get what I'm trying to say? See, obia our problem. Emma baby boy. Ebe fa nkan make say eba fa and fa cry ebe fa. Ebe the ko dia dia. You try your hombra, you ba ebe to aso show so 93.3. You ba say ah.
Mukita SSC, WASI, HND, and mature students na yadia semdenamo.
Akim State University College. ABN APNO at home. Opese, we are topper within 2 years. And now say mature student 25 years and above. Akwenyano ababedaho.
Akim State University College aya programs be at say business programs. Ye will BSc accounting, BSc marketing, afa BSc banking and finance, sanso and a BSc human resource management, and engineering programs and so BSc electrical and also electronic engineering, BSc computer science.
And admission is in progress. Ubit me a pick your forms.
NT Shaniso as a Akim State University College and KNUST and a Kawamotuma Abano, a tuba betua this year Akim State College at Sanya Wako KNUST Pepe.
So we are yet Yawa Akimasene or down Quante Poniso, and I saw my friend 0207 163787, and now say 0242 256070. Akim State University College. Discipline,
excellence, and development.
I swear. Nyamianim ni kwenye se bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, Miami do. Me wife wa hen. Besini ko Preferland weekend zibien. Esan se, bia okope as what rufie. Bibia bi wo ho. Management no so tight. Wo mo nipa wo do. And into Ukraine ni Japan. Besini ko Preferland Hotel. Se wo di birthday party. Oh ware. Ana ye na de wo ba fi. Program bia. Bowra Preferland Hotel. Adentia. Owo car park kesie. Owo baby green grass and kwada diagro kama. Na ni punu. Eya kona bi international standard. Ujali ni na kone safa filter mu. Punu su ujali a. Unse yes. Ujali ni pensio. Akona nkasa. Preferland Hotel. Owo adan ya udro bebre. Asa uju ani bra. Unya busane benya baby ada. Na so no kanjimansko no problem. Bonus ye cool. Enya nunku. So pensa no ma. Awdo bia ya tuntumbo Preferland Hotel. Enyum tiatia so abri bia. Enti achemu dan manso ene ne important phone na cross form hye ho. Preferland Hotel bamamo. Nanu masem de bia wo. Kwase de bia aye pool party. Esanso ye mutual special. Brabe didi na se dwale. Preferland Hotel ewa chimanso. Wudu ani atere achemu dan kwa no so na. Presby school na chipe. Fresh 0551 187-926 and now say 0507-640-302. Preferland Hotel, Fresisia, Neabama.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be
and what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric somewhere who by no. And Nasa wonum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya rientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Eddie Imbusaba Mesa, Dodon dance yes, and Yarwa who run Nipa and Yina etimi banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now pa one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to form fresh 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Hi, from your former, Medjuma Sweni, Inti Obia Pemasem, Saudi Wajuma Shamisa, Mesha say, Wisika and Co-Waste, Inti, Metomino Manina Free Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensanche, Inti Sawupe Cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna say, Simaf, Nina, Ubenyebi Ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensanche, Open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, Kenoff, Papa Panibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, open tree barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size, Nina, Ubenya Biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anasa Chairman Mensan Cheng, our Kameni Junction, on Ejaji and Editionim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
And your papa dear, on Kwana Obo, Charlie and Swabian to Finuat. Shino, or to many now.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it?
Loki, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey low-key, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine for me slowly. Just one taste and I'm wanting more, shawty. Waiting you give me is not enough. Oh. You know tell me I know I'm falling in love. Boomba, Venus, yeah. Meet up on the Tino, yeah. So Ghana had make a shower to increase their prices, yeah. When I give away people, they somebody call a Shamodi, yeah. The boys for traffic know they get anything when them wipe screen. But the big man still they buy iPhone 13. Carry leg on girls to Kumasi. Everything just shop it up it. Charlie finesse show we don't come and complain to me. Big man continue to take my girl out. Because the money we don't give a man the job. I heard that you're looking for love. As I wake up this morning, landlord don't call me. My body don't ring my phone. Say where that thing where you promise me. I know say you no go believe. Them no tell me say that's so it they be. I beg you take me back to days when you say not just to play and jump. I just would not stop you better get up for you. Better know this. That's to us who make a living to go. Nobody go ask if you nobody go send you. If you don't get my use of me, I don't do that. If you don't money big star record. You know feel easy. Yeah. Show money big star record. I forgot big star record. That's a fuck. My baby too fine, baby they blow my mind. They make her feel alright. Each and every day, she the text check up on me. I do them all day every day. I need no one like I need ya. Oh no no. Loving you, girl, you get the pom pom jay. You know how I want the pom pom jay. Oh, I need no one like I need you. Oh no no. Oh, show a body down and come my lover. Make a dirty you well with my love. La la la. Myself for my bed, listen. Baby, come on, good sin, baby, passing, good sin, baby, passing, good sin. I love. She bringing out dirt on my clean bed. Do you see the irony? She is so funny. Lay on my right, feeling all nice. So she gon' die. She fainting when you come online. She misses my eyes. When I hop in knees, I look straight in her eyes. So show her body down and come my lover. Make her dirty you while with my lover. La la la. Oh, I say show her body down and
Come on over. Right, so 15 minutes after 11, music from Olive the Boy, cause this one good saying. And rocking it live here on this frequency 93.3 of mid-morning. Jumani and DJ, what they say? So wherever you are, Juma be away be an memo, Juma Samoa Koba at the back as a few years old. But you said be a coy day, Anna means it be a coy day. Okay, to be a coy day, my music in DJ Kakra. Send your wall shop here with DJ, my music in DJ Kakrana Fay, Mempeka Kra, and Gubo Tomiadia. My car few days now, Fay, I was summoning a cunny. Nah, Menji, Ohami and Sanibi. Ohaya saying, it means you Ohami and Sani Bingumi Botona. Ah, so you Ohami and Sani Bingumi Botum. I am probably concerts and go on.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Now, Kate today, Mariam Salman Defi. Siana minya call be no be chem say Kate ni Mariam one Defi. Now we. E ya sanka on. E wo se be ma bia. Nyame ma yeni. Nanka say we serious girl na baby na ka spiritual camera bi su di neji. Me boa. O say ma un be Mariam go. Okay. Me who video na am say I need to confirm this. And I mean, ya call me now. Okay, I confirm. Say Mariam and Defi, Kate is one Defi. Now Kate, they see two banchi cry. Hey, call for mama. I call for serious girlfriends. I was see this spiritual camera. Say deal with cheap. Sang of way. But I try my mouth feel like being a fey. Minja da kana mashabuna onto us. So we hear me say ya. Na. Yama Coin Obano resort card and I say the terminal reports and I Taikano or the Befina or share Akola Sika Uchi any card here the Abrewi and corresponding Bakogra. She say Akolana modern more and I said I didn't even and shut down and caught sending open. Now, what shall school fees use our more than HR? Now, what shall be France or more than who's already on Fakra? So, you are thinking of changing the school? Open source of San Colani School. Me pacho, my mouth filabi. Me mouth filabi. Na wada. Baby, I will bet you school fees. No one's on what you school fees and your son faso. Ube was what you school fees. I'm a sabio. My teacher phones were imparting knowledge with a 12 of funny dream. What you school fees be a one was man to see Kengo. Adia bakwa yapa. Sa ubetisi kato adienye. Na just sa ubetisi ketu school fees. Na akolane the bad results abefie. The only school I watch more than Chrome ha. Me pachuti. School bako pe watch more than Chrome ha no man. Wama bimpa. Last year 2022 BEC Yamotroy the whole Brim Central Municipal one and a D kind schools are watching more than Chrome and Mina. One got transfer BEC, you know, school a D kind back up. I watch more than Chrome Hanon. 117 became a patch of a living bread school complex. Living bread school complex. Living bread school complex. School didn't want to hear now. I'm going to a living bread school complex. Where a chim abuabo. Now, what them say apart from say one more crown on 2022 BEC winners, you know, one more asanso. The winners of UCMAS, one more and aside the winners of UCMAS, not just a school way, so Bakobia. No, said that MPB no. dachi minister of state bi no dachi presenter bi no dachi teacher bi no dachi soldier bi no me pacho benye school a wo call na kasi ye me be na akola me ka akola bia na wo SDA na enye SDA school mu SDA area mu ho na akola na ma me mo boka won ho boka no a this ya woni si I think say we SS class visa ana bi ogusu SS na ye busa akola ize he na wo ma me boka wo ho za unia we adwuma me wo se unia me tondo ko say na ne grandma tondo ko za akola lo okwo school anyele ne hunsu ade nyina sa na onya ne nsa no adwuma deda nti osu onia ofe tondo ko me pa cho fa kla ko school ma ne kombedo adisia baby and the commandos friends adisia because teacher for no wo ma ye crowd sa bofra bia beto na school mo bia no esan say adisia nti na wo ba ye me hu say we kwani abafase kan ko ofuom na wakodada there bi and say wonya fa pen fa book fa bag e de bo wachi say wo ko school mu dia teacher for one living bread school complex say wo ye den wo besu ade ye wo crèche ye wo nursery ye wo KG and now face ye wo JHS it is from crèche to JHS shining son say your school fees no very moderate and affordable at that form school fees at that form boko because ye person kwala nyina sabi we hu ade ntino ye ma school fees ne bo nya den na afei school di bansa bibi e ho there bi ina to form sina bia obetimi atwa na abofra no so adwum abie yi pa ye wo school bus nso a wotie mi abia wo bia no ye betumi abefaw na ye di abofra na ba school ye pon so a na ye sade na be fie kama pa ye wachem abo ado tai friend penifo was 0204 714040 0204 714040 and 0559 398 499 0559 398 499 Living Bread school complex watching abo do take kwan so pe na obehu yen na yan call Frizzles food so wo pe bi edidi na watafre wonsa wo pe bi edidi wo say yo me di bo pe pacho Frizzles food and then Friday the be pacho for phone na place your order your jollof rice your fried rice with chicken assorted jollof assorted fried rice your french fries with potato chips your yam chips and so easy your fried rice I need beef sauce I it's also what jollof rice I need beef sauce I yo hoed there were Frizzles there our Frizzles and this I would see me a phone na try and Thomas say ya na every so I obey ye where you from by your birthday by your party be na upe obia by your dwane ma wa me sure catering service you pour the man for all occasions Kayan to my star call ya wabo Tizia Junction 0242 992579 0242 992579 and 0505 666 948 Frizzles Foods Adriane Ayaze Tosa Frey MD and Co Ghana Limited your number one stop shop for electrical wires and lighting and accessories your crowd fan call bar I just send the police station me pato Tosa Frey because you expert at obey installation in the amount I feel we sit down on and I say when can ya ho sensen bi e akwa twe wo fie ho people so there I say nanzia how do ho come one crowd to me the shock me hu bi da pa me hu bi da ya wa says na me the bibia me was me ho story o hwe ya wa says na I mean you know boys who is the boys there is a come about dormitory was you see we I think we have something we used to call 83 or 82 visa so come back host the horse na boys people don't tiafa with some clinic bill or something I don't know on my some between moja madam for be Frank Minta na minim dia na ye wos na ye Minta ko twi moja ibi no ho be kan wo no na nyame nko a mana nanka ya no 14th anniversary ana wu anya anniversary let us start anniversary anka we woody that ade ehu pa e dan bi ho ma wo se why are na anye ye ana se nsuo tope ho kape no di shock me show sa jo man etwem etwem da kra MDN ko Ghana let me first to safro na on sort to at on bibia nkoye from my yawa cra of anko barrier just in the police station there was 0500 009114 na 0500 009115 MDN ko Ghana Limited trying to yanko from Pon Enterprise na yanko to emonko sifi and Friday and they do be back na waba Monday na ko no okoyo mutuo okoye jollof okoye rice and stew ni ade rice water so Sunday wo be di asawa kwa asole pepacho yanko from Pon Enterprise na yanko to emo enhuam just a perfume rice open local rice ubenya bi emo bi a open say 5x5 a full bag a 25 kg 50 kg thing na for the tray where you're from Pon Enterprise after open sugar ana open macro ahodo nyina oba pa macro lele money ade open tin tomatoes thing na oba from Pon Enterprise ubenya bi afọ ya cosmetic shop no so ya din kumbe braba ya the body spray bebre aba me pa jo aya be ma de o sign baby girl no hanga say bra what is it sometimes oboto no ka preni but o sign obi hu bra please can I get a hug that just from Pon Enterprise is doing the talking Mr. call from Pon say from Pon cosmetic shop after so ya we drink shop on so our old GN bank ha ya ton in San Doko and after so you be up say no man audio program no o ton safre na so buy so ya ever sort to out fair 0244 8975525 and 0206473953 0242 111236 from Pon Enterprise Jumera Ready Papa Don Cool Ventures, a wholesale and retail of Club and Guinness products, sales of alcoholic and soft beverages, and to the job. And the weekends are weekend also there. A year what town, I throw what town, engagements what town, my patrol. Don Cool Ventures na kopensa embo na de abunibi na fire program no so pop bi na eatery bi na ope baby atonsa obetimi akogu ho na so otima toma customers there na odoni atwe Don Cool Ventures me pa cho ya wachem odan Sunny Star Plaza Jubilee Hospital kwan so ha 0554 896 adimisem 0554 86990 and 0556 252 668 Don Cool Ventures Jam Trading Enterprise obi ansole nyane na so because ya bo jam within ye di agro shawo pa dance ye hunyoma na ato eye papa a dance ye hunyoma ye papa quality a obi abetimi ma tobia ya kire say affordable me pacho Jam Trading Enterprise ya ton cement ma keki wo ho ye nton bi wo ho ya cement ni na obetumi da ya adwuma na woni age na onso wodi adanse ama nkofo foforo nso aba bia na ja ete se opa sima cement opa diamond cement opa gasem opa nadowa me kire nails menya nia wo de ba entimi wurem no na mom wo de ba na wurem kobusa kate obekire mu sanado ni na Obenyebi ewo Jam Trading Enterprise Mapache wa iron rods, POP, plasterboards, fiber, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, marine boards, Nina, ya tombi ewa ya swa ya Jam Trading Enterprise, and jaji the deal shenim ewa Kamening Junction, for 0208 123 872 and 0244 566 880 Jam Trading Enterprise. The papa wofia oye ti mesero fa oni machre hona kope ade papa pa na tobi kan we se me kan fanti na me kai so won kan se fa oni wa kire ho ana won kan za Bloom's Bookshop and Stationery me pachoko to books go and buy books na kan na sabio ye di nimdie ene nyansa school die no ye di sie bugum Anti sa hu obi asabio woni pa den so ne kase mu ne ntro ye mu ne ade anhye da mfa na kire se wan kinkan books nkofo kan o kan bie me pa jo uko Blooms Bookshop and Stationery na wa pe book na wa kinkan abofra no so ye be bie school fa de ko na ko to books ni na fa ma no chane so say my first copy book ni na benya bia wo ho afa na abofra no osua A chro osua B chro A for apple B for Bethlehem D for king ni na benya bia to ye Blooms Bookshop and Stationery me pa cho bia opesa wo to bo ye books hu bia mathemat in fact ade ye de ko school bia na ye de ko ginim die no benya bi e Blooms Bookshop and Stationery ye achim oda Commercial Bank car park in the city hall. Fair was 0244-293-632 and 0203-083-731. Munchia Nana Obidumbie Aqua Kumi of Ofia Femame. I don't know why, but Bia is needing a symmetry. Minim Natia. I just don't know why. Make Kana Manana in Dimba symmetry. It's a Munchia the mommy. Obidumbie Nana Kwakumi of Ofia FM. One can't channel sending you a missing Michiano. Of a life of or sour trousers Bakubi. Brown one be a sopan. And who said you may be a Michiano or Hona or Tasha sour trousers no. Minim baby or taco or Nimbe Metasiano. Or Hong Kong, they was a couple life. A couple life upon, but some particular place will call sour trousers and no shake. Minim ni oye wo ha sa trousers ne kwa minim se se on fa sa trousers ne kwa na sa mbra ha ubehu akwa na wa dress na wa yese basat kwa ne so kwa de one trousers bi no ta de fa ho me ta hu no ba oba ho na de oba busalo ayo etada behu akwa on in a day to say no Friday obetma sa no ho be 3 times ano person the shadow e wies from the shadow enumere be 5 years from the shadow and enumere be 839 mu ho na wo no sa kwan so trousers bi eno kwa na shadow minim sa kwan so minim say the one trousers na the fa ho dia me test ya ba ba minim na ente ne di ba mitrim sesi ya mu chia ne ma me oh there be shia de no me try say okay me shia no ho ba ko pe Mano ne fumi na miko kala sebe tashi shan bakope man kan ye kra mi shan one pe obi se wine mi shan wine pe ya ko bro for land and a weekend right and I see weekend me Friday ti e ko weekend unti ne ni je di jiremu from net to Sunday or bro for land jo yanko ho na yanko ji ni a so pesa ko your birthday wo ha na wa Fred Gideon was 0551187926 and 0507640302 afo is what this shaba ya na tensu di aba midrim and na wa di ma midrim bia mi share bia meka o this shaba ya na te of bosome efel mon kan chane se nyankopon pa wo shira no and now wa udi ma midrimu bia ba makanche odi shewa ya nati o mi hu bia de bi odi sheba ho na mi person se ma mi kra mi refie once on okopa samle ma wo the groom nti me hu sa tin se odi nkofo bi ko ho no ma ko kire mebu wo ho se na install DSTV ni mo TV ni ade ai ono ni sika e na odi koya ma ni chrome ofo no mi hu amande ma abeka odi yama ni chrome ofo ni free na mo dia mo de sheba mo nya no diobo o mo kan se yodio ha when yodio na mo to ma no o da ho ti bin tra ha bi mo da mo to mo de she Odishaba, me unimi. When say me I'm a straight person. You know me I don't hide things. Odishaba, you are not you are my friend. If you don't win this election, what do you back room have you? And why? Aye. Is it unfortunate me to about me to about anka meet me convince boys be 3B. Aha, nanka Shege bena me Shege campaign manager. Shege e be next week Shege beba East Africa to show so about be campaign.
Oh sir.
Oma ka dey oma ka dey so mo. Oh. Me say we honorable amu ka chi free ma. Shege na eko. Na ndra chocho say Shege ye amu ka chi assistant. In this say when you need assistant the way you need. Ay. Na success na minim say success. What say success? First no call Presby. No join no call Pentecost. No join no call SDA. See success here Muslim. Yeah. I call Presby and I call Pentecost. Oh, me success is my friend. And madam with me bibia. But this success ya done for summer 2015. Internet check. It's minimum pa. I call Presby. I call Pentecost. And I buy SDA. And I see you Muslim. Uni mwentia. Oya bema chunga chunko. What you say? Na nipa bi say not asase so bo mpa ye say Nyankopon je no. Wait. I am a catcher boys say hey, don't waste your time dating an SDA girl. Obo ko SDA. Say won ko SDA don't waste your time date. No, there be many sir. Many sir gra. Ne kwa master beji ne fru nsem. Say wo girl ko SDA na say won ko SDA ne kwa master beji ne fru nsem. E bi no mo dey success so. E the reason why success AJ SDA e call Friday be an Friday say na obeko mox. No call Pentecost because of one girl. And fat. And no Jack call Presby because of one girl. And again Saga no crowd and go kuminyano. Oh no, Okoda community hospital be 4 weeks cry. Me and me toko kuni ade command and no pebia. And no Jai. Oh your consoling na no see what. And no Jai no see when you fine girl be wo SDA. But the success jayo, success nyabutro, success jayo, success MWO, sa wait here. And I call master jig and free him. After those say sa on Sunday so beam, on Saturday beam, or become more a Muslim. Your friend Abdul success. You know, last time. But if I go to China, you find foot away. And for my boys, baby. Don't ever waste your time dating an SDA girl. Me call master beji free him. Uni ma busa success. And I'm find the number and to and I'm friend and I'm mumbusa. What's success? The number way. What's success me boy? Obeka je the number success number way. Okay, move 0245 154519. Move fresh up your boy. Call master the journey girl free this here.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello there. This is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What?
Rise a few minutes now for your appropriate music of AIC and Trick Mark. They call this one Butromojo. Let's go.
Friday night to the one day, boys in against no archie. I say when you almost are one day, I just want to Abu Bubi Nade. Utumofu, so mante. Yellow pata, kids are home matching. Club it up in your task in a most I ever drive out could be Rade. Rade, Beji, still I know. Name my boo. Wado, Billy, my long. Obinya wayo, obile de susinu wudi. Ejume. Obile de susinu wudi. Bojo obinya wayo, obile de susinu wudi. Obinya waya te, obile de susinu wudi. Bo
If I tell you, say I love you, oh. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, yo. Yeah, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby. No do, gotta for me. No do, say that, oh.
Only for this. Got myself a sponsor. Anything me ask, me they bye. Even though it's older, but I got to survive in this life. Another one who is younger. When I ask for something, they cry. Messi papa ya me nyani bia, ama me bia. That's what right now, but she na coming kwa. And now beba me chemi so ni masema okami sa. If you break my heart, I go dead to your father. You gonna be my son, you go call me your mother. Say if you break my heart, I go dead to your father. You gonna be my son, you go call me your mother. I'll go fear, every time I'll go fear. I'll go fear,
The Mid-Morning Show. Have the blessed day.
Because why you see me eat it. Kweku anansi, se madam party e kami hunsi. Abra menya me kakra me di frase. Me minima wana me dance and grass. Life is a wild carnival. Mama me ni many be why I na ke mosh. Ekita me na wini bia me to me pass it. I cherish every moment me my spirit dey free. Life is a wild carnival. Mama me ni many be why I na ke mosh. Pim pim. Talk up to a mess, sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me ho atom. Any mere won pabu anu ke and come. And pim time come. And pim time come. They talk up to a mess, sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me ho atom. Any mere won pabu anu ke and come. Nyanya me penny se me na mama nice. Mankwa ebusu ya better come. I do this for my family and myself. Drip me say be kum come. Nyanya me penny se me na mama nice. Mankwa ebusu ya better come. I do this for my family and my home. Drink me say, I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier, I'm a soldier, one man soldier.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have the blessed day.
from you, I'm a sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me watom. Any mere won pabu anu ke and come. And pim time, pim dummy. Get up from you, I'm a sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me watom. Any mere won pabu anu ke and come. But I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Soldier. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Soldier.
Have a blessed day.
Kuana sits a madam party, come home see me. The idea is in pain, because I'm so I see me. Kuana sits, madam party, come life is a wild carnival. Mama mini many be why I can't wash. Every time I win it, to me pass it. I can reach every woman in my spirit day free. Life is a wild carnival. Mama mini many be why I can't wash. And pim time, pim. Get up from you, I'm a son.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
It's Joe made it.
Me I see me penny pa. Because I'm why I see me eat it. Kuana sits a madam party, come home see me. After me, I'm a cacrami to this class. The minimum when I'm a dancer to us. Life is a wild carnival. Mama many be why I can't wash. Every time you know when you to me pass it. I can reach every woman in my spirit day free. Life is a wild carnival. Mama many be why I can't wash. And pim time, pim dummy. Get up from you, I'm a sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me watom. Any mere won pabu anu ke dummy. And pim time, pim dummy. Get up from you, I'm a sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me watom. Any mere won pabu anu ke dummy. Can you have a penny and I'm a nice? I do this for my family and myself. Dream me say be kum kum. Can you have a penny and I'm a nice? I do this for my family and myself. Dream me say be kum kum. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier. And pim time, pim dummy. Get up from you, I'm a sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me watom. Any mere won pabu anu ke and come. And pim time, pim dummy. Get up from you, I'm a sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me watom. Any mere won pabu anu ke and come. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier. I see me paper. Because I'm why you see me eat it. Kuana sits a madam party, come home see me. I see me paper. Because I'm why you see me eat it. Kuana sits, madam party, you put me decent. I'm the man make a crazy.
Have a blessed day.
Life is a wild carnival. Mama many be why I can't wash. Every time you know when you to me pass it. I can't reach every woman in my spirit day. Life is a wild carnival. Mama many be why I can't wash.
trendybeats.com.
Better, I know if you live without you. Yeah, send me look and I go pull up on you wherever you there. I go down. I know if you live without you. Be like she give me cold, cause you just love me for days. Oh, wait, be my woman. What make you be my woman? What make you be my woman? Be my woman. What make you be my woman? What make you be my woman? She got vibe, she know the long. In my heart, where she belong. She feel like vibes with her tongue. Me push it in, me she scream, oh God. She get vibe, she know the long. In my heart, where she belong. She feel like vibes with her tongue. Me push it in, me she scream, oh God. Better, I know if you live without you. Yeah, send me look, and I go pull up on you wherever you there. I go down, I know if feel live without you. Be like she give me all day, cause it just slow me for day. Oh, be my
Right, so music of Kevin Boy, and now music of Comido, Raphael. Hey, and of course this one Adule. Let's go all the time. Alright, so big shouts to Juan. Chim Wenji. Big shouts and come out DJ Shabu. Also Chia. Maybe I will call there Juan. Aquaba. But about Wenji. I will bring this song back. Let's do this again. That's right. Everybody now. 1, 2, on 3. Let's go. Okay. Hey. That's right. Never fade. Hey. Let's go. 1 all the time. What's it day? That's right. Well, everybody, let's do this together now. Adole, come and show me. Yeah. That's right. One time. Hey. That's right.
I see one thing, baby, I no chaser. She won't give me something I no take. If you know the good, be my paper. I know the fake. Don't you ever say you wanna break up. Baby girl, you know one of it take. Promise me before my price I send a rate.
That's right. Let's go, everybody now. Adole. Stay back. That's right, let's go. What's your name? Hey. I'm sorry to. Aye, would you be mine? Why? Hey. Everybody now. What's your name? I just wanna hold to know you be mine. 1, 2, 3, here we go now. What's your name? Body on my body, that's right. Hey, my personal person. Body on my body, would you be my honey? Would you be my person? My personal person. If I no carry, I no go ask for number, baby. Hey, I said that, Angela. Hey, don't go and sit there, Kukuma. Hey, Ferrari for my lover. That's right. Everybody now. What's it like? 1, 2, 3. Here we go now. Daddy. That's right. Anything you want to do, so let me be your lover. Hey. I just wanna day by your side. Yeah. I just wanna do you. Hey, I just wanna do hey. I just wanna hold to know you be mine. Body on my body. Would you be my honey? Would you be my person? My personal person. Body on my body. Would you be my honey? Would you be my person? That's right. What's it day? But if you leave me, I go die, oh. Hey.
of years. Every couple of samba, fresh in your ears. I'm a piano. Is a big.
Alright, so big shouts to man like Willie. Yes, so Willie says, Charlie, they listen live from Amachrome. Amachrome, I called them Nikusiko last year. And it's like, because is it last 2 years? Last 2 years, eh? Last 2 years, oh. Hey, if you channel you say yo. I do Amachrome. One Amachrome gonna have a chance and come on with free bra Willie. I would see a live from Amachrome oil mill processing factory. Or seeing Chakashan come on ladies. One can say all the workers who was ladies, not just a memana more on one count. Memana mutie no ewa Amachrome oil mill processing factory no. In Chiawe Monka when you free way a man and one. We really brought for American. Say greetings to all the ladies working there. I just said, Mama, more hot ya Monka. Amachrome. What's it there?
All of my soul enough for my peace. I'm glad I made it out of belly of the beast. From the ground up, niggas stand up, see the fandom, no do the random. But wait and shine down, and then it never done. I'm telling y'all, better get the memorandum. One thing I know, I'm a piano, all of my piano. No, Messi I know, Italiano, Lucky Luciano, killing bitches all I know. Piano, it's a big vibe, but the girls them know. Steadily, heavily.